Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to update a table record in Mysql. First open your XAMPP. So XAMPP has opened. Select your database. My database name is college. Click on it and my table is student. Here all the records are given. There are 9 records. So in this table I want to update or modify specific rows or record. To update a table in MySQL, you have to first write update, then the name of the table name, then set, then column 1 equal the new value 1, or if you do not want to modify for that column, so just keep the previous value. Value 1 will be the previous value. Suppose I want to change the value of the column 3, so then column 1 equal the value of the column 1 will be the previous value, and the value 2 will be the previous value of column 2, and column 3 will contain the new value. And you have to be careful to make a condition, where condition, because if we do not apply condition, then all the values of the record will be modified, but we want to modify a specific record. First update, then table name, then set, then column 1 equal the value, then column 2 equal the value, and column 3 equal the value. If you do not want to change any value, then you have to put the previous value after the equal. Suppose I want to edit here the Gmail of email of the ID to Malik Shah, then it could be Malik345. I want to put here Malik345@gmail.com. So the SQL command will be here. I have to save the previous value. Have to see again Malik Shah, then Malik3@gmail.com, and country is Pakistan. So then first update, the name of the table is student, then set, then the column 1 equal, so column 1 is ID equal the value was 2, put here 2, then the column is name, here Malik Shah, and I want to change just the email, Malik. The previous email was Malik3@gmail.com. I want to write here 345 at gmail.com, and then the country was Pakistan. You can see that I have put the previous value where I do not want to make any change. So here ID2 Malik Shah, Malik at, here I have put the new value, and finally you have to apply condition, because if you do not apply condition, then all the record will be modified and there will be more and more duplicate records. And then where the ID equal 2, so I applied the condition where the ID equal 2, and I just want to copy it for use future. So here you can see update student, then set ID equal to name Malik Shah, email malik345 at gmail.com, and then the country is Pakistan, and I have make the change here malik345 at gmail.com, and then apply condition where ID equal to, that means ID is the primary key, and I can specify the record by this. Click on go, so you can see, click on browse, here you can see here malik345 at gmail.com and country Pakistan, Malik Shah, the value has been changed, here the record has been updated. If you can change here manually, first you have to select any specific record. So I just want to change the record here, Patrick. Click on this, and then you can click here or you can click here. So I just want to click here. First I have selected, then click here. Then you can see the value has been added. I just want to write here Patrick and go. It has been successfully updated. And 9, here you can see Patrick. Again you can select any record here, click on edit. You can see the value has been added here, fetched here, Matt Henry at gmail.com, country is USA. I just want to change it, country is UK, suppose, let assume that country is UK, then click on go. Matt Henry, country is UK, not USA. That's all. Thank you everyone.